Oh shit, he about to launch that fucker. Damn. I'm YouTube. I'm at the eighth of a mile today. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy behind me in the Z. We deep, man. Just know what's going down tonight. Got the GoPro. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, y'all probably finna whoop my ass. Y'all already know.
Gotta give you a good challenge.
Huh?
Gotta give you a challenge.
Hey, you right.
Hey, I'm Mopar all the way, man.
Hey.
I work down there at Gary Matthews on Dodge down there on the river.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So if you tear it up, he'll be fixed.
Hey, he's on the warranty. He's like, hey, I ain't get it just to look at it.
I didn't see
Shit. Yeah, you right. This is my first time actually taking it to the drag strip.
Yeah. How many miles on that car?
I'm at 6,369 now.
Brand new.
I got it last in October.
Barely
Yeah.
broke in.
Yeah, I know. But I got 305s on the back, so let's see if they make a difference.
Oh, it'll look pretty good.
We finna find out. This is going on my YouTube, by the way. I'm gonna have to show y'all once we go back over there. I'm about to run a double X, y'all. Y'all know they all-wheel drive, man. So if I don't hook, he gonna whoop my ass, man. So I'm definitely gonna have to warm my tires up. Damn, man, it's crazy. Put it up in sport mode. Well, track mode, really, track. Oh, damn, I'm sorry, I'm ready now. If y'all can see. Oh, shit, I'm kind of scared, bro. We gotta go here?
You going right here. Right here.
Hold on, I gotta.
You got a boat, my nigga.
Well, I can do my burnout. I can't do a burnout?
Huh?
I can't do a burnout?
You can do a burnout, but you can't get in the water box with street tires.
Oh, shit, all right, you right. Hold on, I ain't ready. Hold on.
It's not gonna come down to you.
You be alright, bro. Ooh, you hear the grip?
Yeah.
Oh, you hear the grip? Hold on, go up a little bit more. Go up a little bit more.
Come on up.
Up a little bit more.
Come on. Slow down. Come on up, one more,
Up a little
and get
more.
ready. One more light, come on, one more light.
That's
Oh,
the
you'll be
Mopar, I know fucking car, baby, and I ain't get traction. Fuck y'all mean.
That was fucking clutch. Oh, you had your seatbelt on. Go this way, go this way.
Mopar, no, cause y'all subscribe to the fucking channel, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. Big D92 shit. My man Nico got Mopar.
I was like, oh shit.
You feel me?
Nigga,
Nigga say, oh shit, I know.
Holding on to dear life. Nigga.
I ain't even hook, I just took off. I didn't fuck that up so bad, bro. I been hyping them boys up, underestimating my baby, bro.
Nigga, my shit right there.
That's that V-pop, that's that shell gas.
I wonder who should that fucking race.
I'm about to get out and record you. If you want me to get out and record you, run.
I want
Nick, you gonna whoop somebody, man. You gotta get a dub for the night over with. We ain't getting here for nothing.
Yeah.
Ooh, I whooped some shit. Did you get it, Nick? Did you record?
Nah, bro, I was
Damn, Nick.
you
Damn, Nick.
Nigga.
I'm focused on the front.
Seemed to hook pretty good, didn't it?
Man, that shit got the jumping, man.
I was spinning them, I know it.
Yeah, like, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I fucked my rear axles up.
Hey, good race, man.
Good race, bro. There's a Q60 that I'm about to race, y'all. I'm low-key nervous. About to race a Q60, y'all see him? Hope I don't fuck up. Alright, you can beat this Q60, man. Whooping his ass. Whooping his ass. Whooping his ass, man. Whooping his ass. Yeah, that Q60. Boy, my shit said boom. I ain't racing no more. No more. I'm done for the night. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'll get back with y'all in a bit. Finna race my boy Scatpack. Oh shit, man. I'm low-key nervous, huh? Hold on, let me turn. I ain't finna drive up in here. Yeah, me and B finna race. I ain't finna burn out. After this car he'll leave, me and B gonna go, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. That's him. That's B and his Scatpack. But my heart beating. It's unnecessary, man. It's unnecessary, B. You doing that for no reason, man. Like this long. He slept on the light.
Hey, look, you got me not putting down my phone.
Huh?
I think you had got me not putting down my phone.
Well, you had the phone out?
Yeah, I was trying to record, and then I saw the green light. I said, oh shit.
Oh no, B, you can't be doing that behind that monster. Lord hell.
That was a practice run. That was a practice.
Yeah, we'll go back. All right, B, don't be asleep now. You got. Did Jasmine get the video? Jasmine got the video?
I hope she did, but come on, go ahead. I'll go ahead.
All right.
Got my Mopar guys out here. Got Blake's. You got B. Let's see. That rhyme.
Yeah, you beat Sergeant. 547.
Oh, fuck it.
Civic. Finna race the Civic right here. Finna race this little Civic. Y'all see this little Civic right here that I'm finna race? Nah, I ain't gonna even go up right now. Just gonna wait on him. What is he doing? I ain't even gonna do all that, big dog. You burning for no reason. Let's go! Another dub! Another dub! Damn, weight reduction Civic, man. This shit is fun. GoPro, stop recording.
YouTube, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hey, like, are you in the
I beat the WRX. I beat the Q60. And I beat the Civic. It was boosted, but he still lost it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo. No, I ain't in the lane. I'm in the parking spot. Big red eyes. Big red eyes. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We all here. Make sure you subscribe, man. We all here. Airways_. Make sure y'all show the channel some love, man. Show the channel some love, man. Out here. Like I said, y'all see on my disc, man. On Big 305, they do what the fuck they do, man. They do what the fuck they do, man. They get up there. They do that. Don't fucking 305. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. When I'm up. Shit, hi. Let it cool out for a little bit. Yeah, I'm done, man. Catch y'all later. Make sure y'all subscribe. That's all I got. Y'all see everything on the GoPro. On the car lawsuit. What's my boy when I had fucking messed up. Other than that, hey man, nice Camaro, bro. No problem. Oh yeah, man. Alright, I'm finna go fuck the tape. I gotta go put my mask on though. What's up?
You raced already?
Son, you.